Guys, today we have a fuel leak. All right, we got gas, and there's a little issue. Got home, parked the car, went inside, took a picture of another car at Cars and Coffee, and realized that zoomed in, somebody's in the background grazing the carbon fiber hood. So I was like, what? So I come back outside to make sure there's no like scratches on the hood, whatever, and it reeked of gas. So I crawled underneath. Sure enough, we had just filled up the tank and it was leaking gas. So today we're gonna open up this thing, we're gonna get in that little access panel, and we're gonna see what the leak is. Now, I've heard that it's possible that, well, I guess people are claiming on the forums that the Skyline has some kind of overflow thing, that if you fill it up too much, it just comes out and pours down the tank and just onto the floor, which, what is that? So yeah, we're gonna tear this thing apart, and hopefully maybe it's just a fuel line, maybe where it goes from the pump to the hard lines, that it's cracked or whatever. The car is what, 25 years old now? So I mean, a lot of people I've talked to that have R32 say that they've replaced them multiple times, but I know the kid that had it before me put a Walboro fuel pump in it, so maybe there's something wrong with it. I don't know, but today we're gonna find out. Alright, so we got that off. And now we're gonna get in there and kind of look at it, I guess. So I don't see any leaks right off the bat, but I'm gonna get in there and dig around, see what we can find. So it looks like for me to get to the rest of the fuel lines, I have to take the right rear wheel off. So I cannot jack the car up in the garage because it's got like that much space between the ground. It's not like ground level, and it'll crack if I try to jack it up. So I'm gonna move all the cars, back this out, and then we'll get into it. We took out the work wheels. I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom in. Focus. I mean, like, I guess work is made in Japan, but like, were these on the car over there? Alright guys, we're under the car. There's no leaks here. I haven't really reached back in there yet, but there doesn't seem to be any leaks. What I meant was it was leaking from up there. I can't get up there, but I don't see anything. definitely dried up since then. I mean, you can tell where it leaked down. But like, is there anything up there? Hello? So after I looked through everything, nothing's wet down there. There was no leaks around there, but it's not leaking from the fuel pump. But all the lines look good. They look new. Where it comes in here from the filler cap, none of that is leaking. It's coming from the top of the tank from down there. And with it coming from the top of the tank, I just can't get to it. I don't think you can get to it from the rear seats. So I guess when I get the clutch installed and it's up on the lift, I'll just look at it then, because it's not leaking now, and like people keep saying that it, like, if you fill it up too much, it like leaks out, which is fucking weird to me. I've never heard of that, but I mean, everything seems okay. Nothing's leaking. All the lines are okay. I guess we'll put it back together. Waste of time. Maybe it's just gonna smell like gas all the time. I don't know. Good stuff. Like, I would open up the fuel pump and check the O-ring, but like I said, it's not wet around there, so I'm assuming that's okay. Like, I'm not gonna waste my time. It's definitely pouring down the tank, which the tank's kind of like in like the center of the car over here, and I can't get to it. Alright, so after all of that, what do we get done? Nothing. We got nothing accomplished. I mean, I guess peace of mind knowing that all the lines were actually replaced, at least with the fuel pump. We can't really see in the tank. Like I said, when we get the clutch replaced, when it's up on the lift, I'll go ahead and I'll be able to get up under there completely and see like what's leaking out of the tank, where exactly it came from. Yeah, kind of like a boring, pointless video, but hey, if you ever want to change your fuel pump in your R33, now you know how to, because we just showed you. Access panel, bam, right there. Take off the wheel, there's more shit right there, and then I don't know how you replace the actual lines. Like I gotta fix an interior panel on the rear. I guess I'll take the seats back out and see if maybe there's some way, but I don't remember seeing like any kind of access panel in there to get to where the tank is. There's got to be something. I don't know. Maybe we'll look. But anyway, that's it for this one. See you guys on the next one.